Welcome back, everybody. Got an awesome video for you today. It's huge. I've had some people say that they want longer videos. Ask and you shall receive. Basically, I put 2 videos into 1 video. You trying to find your way over here, little girl? You're not really into this, are you? Well, they say that animals get a lot of views on YouTube, so smile. The first part is back in the garage doing some insulation. It is R13 insulation. I put the faced side towards the house, even though there's already like a vapor barrier built in to the exterior sheathing of the garage, because that garage used to be freestanding. Then there was a gap, wide open airspace, and then the house. It's kind of confusing, I know. I'll see you at intermission. Oh, don't jump, you're getting old. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell so you're notified when the next video comes out. I'm not sure when the next one's going to be out, but you will know if you click the bell.
Got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round around the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Saturday night. Gonna quit my job, never wanna have no bars. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing in the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, oh.
Doesn't bother me. Right down the hatch. A lot of people still don't know the insulation joke and the asbestos joke and the mustard joke. I did post a link to what I'm talking about on my community page. But if you know, you know. You may have worked construction. You may be in your mid-40s, maybe 50. 30-year-olds, you probably are too young. It doesn't bother me at all. It is kind of strange. I agree with you. All right, well, see you later, Polly. This is intermission. First part was insulation. I don't think my skin is any different than anybody else's. It doesn't go into my skin. I don't itch at all. So many questions about why don't I wear gloves? Here, I've been working every single day. No cuts. They're in disbelief that I don't cut myself every day, all day long, not wearing gloves. Got a couple calluses. I don't even have a scratch. I like having the dexterity in my fingertips. I like picking things up like screws, and I can feel it. Gloves just get in the way and they slow you down. So the next section of this video should have been its own video. Hopefully you butt joint boys approve of the next section of this video. It's installing drywall on the other side of the garage wall inside the bedroom. Alright, well that's the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Almost to my favorite part. That's the joint compound and the taping. Okay, that's enough rambling for the handyman. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.